Apple prize bundles. What are you talking about? What do you mean you can win an Xbox One, a Beat Studio wireless headphones, PS4, a drone, classic claw machine, and another classic claw machine. Now we have G-Shock watches.
This place is cool.
Baby G. This stuff is legit. These actually seem decent. Baby G watch. Baby G watch. And win more prizes. Little wristbands, little rings, little toy cars, little toy fishes, just little toys. They cost 150 tickets, 75 tickets. Alright, now we're in the 3,000 ticket range. You know what that means. Gotta do a little bit of DJing to get that. Oh, here we go. 15,000 tickets. What is this? Robotic enhanced vehicles. Complete battery pack. For 15K. Hey, something sold out for 35K, so I guess it's not that far-fetched. Now, what kind of games can we play? The prize aquarium. Yeah, I'm not sure about this game. I don't know how it works. Crossy Road. This is a classic. You can honestly download this on your phone, get really, really, really good at it, come on a cruise, and clean up all these prizes. Do not play this game. It is rigged. Monster Jackpot. There's only one jackpot, and it's right there. So you have to get the one jackpot, or else you get 5 or 1, 5, 15 tickets. Jackpot or bust. Do not play this game. I mean, unless you just want to gamble. I guess that's the only way. Or you can just go and buy it yourself. By the time you spend all your money on these games, another jackpot game. These are gambling games. Jackpot. Kids gambling early. Yeah, this is legit, guys. This is an Xbox One. You can win a PS5. Wait a minute. You can win a GoPro. I want a GoPro. Should I play these games? Look at this. iPhone. Headphones. Mini iPad. And the prize bundle. Wow, you can get the bundle. It's a GoPro and something else. I can't tell what the S Plus thing is. I guess it's just a game. Prize game. It's a gambling game. There's no skill. There's no real skill. It's rigged. Somebody prove me wrong. Pearl Fishery. I'm not sure what these are, but look at it. Super bonus chance. So this one can be beat, actually. If you're a beast and you got the hand, you got the finesse, you can clean up in this game. However, if you want to play the coin degen game, where you push the coins off to try to get all the coins, hey guys, try again. Oh, look at this one. This one's like the super degen. And I feel sorry for the people who think that they're just going to get all the coins one day. You're just not. We're gambling. So I endorse this. Virtual reality. I mean, I don't know who that is. A little roller coaster. Ride. Put your eyes in the thing, and I'm sure it moves like crazy. Clean masks. I'm cool with that. Basketball. This can be beat. If you got skills, show up. And you can win some real prizes. other game I endorse. It's just a game. A racing game. Have fun with the games. Tickets, this is a gambling game. Look at that. It's roulette. You're just spinning the wheel to win money. It's a losing effort. This one's good. Jurassic Park. Endorsed by Coop. I endorse these. That is out of order. Okay. I'm not sure what this is. Play the piano key that matches the colored title on the screen. Play as many keys as you can before time runs out. Maybe there's skill involved. I've never seen this game. Comment below if you played this. Claw Machine, D-Gen. This looks out of order. Hammer and the punching boxer. And the Pac-Man is just air hockey, which is cool. I think it's 2-on-2. I played this game before. Seems D-Gen. Wouldn't recommend it. Probably a little bit of D-Gen. So I totally endorse this. You know, not fighting, but yeah, if you can win 1,000 tickets, you probably shouldn't play it. Looks easy, right? One big claw, only a few prizes. Doubt it.